So this is lamb, guys. C'est quoi lamb en français, honey? Agneau. So alors ça c'est des agneaux. J'ai fait frites. I just fried the lamb, and then we will put that one here in the crock pot. So guys, I will just cook this one. I have black beans and canned tomato from our garden from 2019. Yeah, and frozen okra. This one, the broccoli, it's also frozen. That's the harvest from our garden last year, 2020. And here we have onion, and here is the oil of the, the other day I fried lamb, and this is the lamb that I boiled from the crock pot, so it's soft already. So now I will put the meat, fry that again, and I will add the onion. Okay, we'll just fry that one, and after that I will add the black beans and the tomato, and later the frozen vegetables. So I'm adding now the black beans, and then we will add the tomato. Typical to add the tomato, guys. Yeah, tomato is added, and then let it boil. And here, guys, we're adding our knor cubes. Okay, knor cubes is added. So I have here, guys, pearl barley. I will 1/2 cup. I will cook this one into our crock pot. Then I add water. That one into our crock pot. And maybe this is 1/4 or 1/3 mung beans. We cook that one together with our pearl barley. Yeah, that's it. So our pearl barley, guys, and the mung beans is already cooked. Now we're adding that one to our soup here. So it's there already. I add already, and then we will mix. It's like one complete meal, this one. We have lamb there, lamb meat, black beans, mung beans, and the pearl barley. And now I will drain this vegetable here, and I will add that one here. So now it's boiling, so we will add this broccoli and what's that, okra. Okay, and then we will just submerge. Actually, the okra and broccoli is cooked already, so just a little bit mix, and then that's it, guys. So we have a complete meal. No need to add rice because beans there and the pearl barley is already there. So now it's cooked already, guys. That's it. Complete meal with all the legumes and meat is there already, and a soup. Yeah. So thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day. Have a great night. God bless us all. Thank you so much. Bye bye.